Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to hide the Windows 11 Task View button. The Task View button is quite a handy feature when it comes to multitasking. You can create multiple desktops and switch between these custom desktops very easily using this feature. Each of these desktops could have different sets of applications or files open in them so that it is very easy to organize your work. Once the works on one desktop are finished, you can quickly close that desktop and concentrate on the remaining ones. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. Click on Settings. A new window will open. Select Personalization from the left side list. Click on Taskbar. Go to Taskbar Items. Look for Task View. Turn the switch off to disable Task View button. If you want to enable the option, turn the switch on. You can also right-click on the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings from the list. A new window will open. Go to Taskbar Items. Look for Task View. Turn the switch off to disable Task View button. If you want to enable the option, turn the switch on. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!